Find features that distinguish it from other brands for ZOMISIA elevated dog cot bed with headrest. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Elevated dog bed with headrest. This ergonomic dog cot features a 3-sided raised headrest design, offering comfortable support for your dog's head and neck while preventing rolling off during deep sleep. Unmatched stability and durability. Unlike typical 4-leg designs, our bed features a reinforced U-shaped base frame made from thicker, anti-rust steel tubes. This innovative structure provides superior weight distribution and shake-free support, even for energetic large dogs. Supports up to 130 pounds, making it a secure and cozy retreat for your furry friend. Tool-free assembly in minutes. Simply hand twist the wing nuts, no tools required. Elastic connecting wires between steel tubes allows quick setup and disassembly, making it ideal for travel, camping, or indoor/outdoor use anytime, anywhere. All-weather comfort. The breathable textile mesh promotes 360 degrees airflow to keep your pet cool in summer and dry in damp conditions. Elevated 11 inches off the ground. It protects against hard surfaces, mud, and moisture while supporting joint health. Easy to clean and pet safe, water-resistant mesh resists odors and dirt, just hose off or wipe clean. Non-slip rubber feet protect floors and prevent shifting. Bonus, elevated design simplifies cleaning underneath. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.